Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make pollo guisado with arroz con habichuelas negras. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on to it. So you see, I'm cleaning the chicken with water, and I'm getting in the cracks and crevices. I don't care what nobody says. I'm cleaning my chicken. I don't care. And as you see, I'm adding the chicken into a bowl, and I'm adding some lime juice. I didn't have real lime, so don't come for me. But I put some water in there, and I'm basically just giving it a lime juice bath. I don't know what to describe this as. Now we're gonna season it. I'm seasoning it first with oregano. I have some adobo. And then I'm gonna use the chicken bouillon cube. I'm gonna crush it as much as I can for now. I add some pepper, some sazón, and I'm gonna add some minced garlic and some soy sauce. I know, right? Like, you would never think. But now I'm just gonna mix it, and you'll notice that, like, I take my fingers and I'm doing something weird. I'm literally taking the chicken bouillon cube from the bottom, and I'm making sure I mash it up well so it gets all across the chicken and it's not just on one piece. Right now, I'm gonna chop up some vegetables. I have a green pepper, I have a red onion, a regular onion, and some cilantro. So now you're gonna see I'm cutting the vegetables that I'm putting with the rice into little teensy squares, and I'm gonna cut the vegetables that go in with the chicken into like longer parts or portions. Also, shout out to Cairo's mom, because she definitely gave me the recipe for the rice. I loved her rice when I was in Dominican Republic, so, and
Five hours later.
So now you're gonna just put your oil in the bottom of your pan like so, and you're gonna put some sugar in the oil, and this is to brown the chicken, give it a nice color. You're not gonna taste it. So you're gonna sit it in there, make sure you put the top on because it's gonna pop on you, child, and I got popped a little bit. Okay, and you have to make sure it's this color right here, like a brown. Some people like to wait till it's black, but this is good. Make sure you don't kill yourself with this popping the grease. So now you're going to carefully place the chicken into the oil with the sugar. You saw I jump back. This thing is dangerous. Put the lid on in between each piece of chicken. Now you see they're all in there. You're gonna make sure you turn them over to get the other side browned, right? And it's gonna look like that. Promise you, that is okay. It is not burnt. Supposed to look like that. That's good. It's gonna come off. I added a little bit more water into like the chicken bowl that I had the seasoning in, and you're gonna make sure you add that every 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna turn the heat down to medium low, and you're gonna put that top on. And you're gonna end up cooking this for like a total of like 40 minutes. So now we're gonna move on to the rice. Put your oil in the bottom. Do not make fun of me for this little pot. I didn't have anything else. I'll buy the other one. You know what I'm talking about. So put your vegetables in there, chopped up. And you're gonna put some garlic, minced garlic. And as you see, that's me spinning the chicken around. So every like 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna make sure you're like moving the chicken around. Anyway, put some oregano, the chicken bouillon cube as well, and crush that thing up. Also, I used 1.5 packets of sazón seasoning. I think I made 1 cup. And a little teeny bit of vinegar. And some water so it can like sweat. And you're gonna mix that all in. And you're gonna come back to it when it's a little bit of translucence in the vegetables. Oh yeah, and also add your cilantro and mix that up too. I almost forgot that part. That part is important. Don't forget the cilantro. And put that lid on and let that thing cook. So now that you see it's cooked all the way, well, not all the way, but enough, you're going to mix it up. And you're going to add a little bit of the black bean juice that's in the can. You're gonna mix that into your vegetables, and you're gonna let it sit for a little bit longer. And now you're gonna add all of your black beans from the can into your pots, and you're gonna mix that all together with the vegetables that in the seasoning that we already put in there. Y'all, it smells so good in my house. Like, I was so hungry. And we're gonna let that cook for a little bit. So now that it's cooked for a little, you're gonna add your salt just for a little bit of more flavor. And you're gonna add, I think I did 1 cup. I either did 1 cup or 1.5 cups of rice. You're gonna make sure it's like, if you add 1.5 cups of rice, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of water and so forth. And mix that thing together. It was hard because my pot was so small. Again, I do have to go to TJ Maxx and get like, I forgot the name of the pot, but y'all know the pot I'm talking about. It's like metal. I can't describe it. And because it was too much water, I put the aluminum foil over top. Okay, don't judge me, bye. Now look at that beautiful chicken. So it's been about like 35 minutes. And so now you're going to add all of your vegetables into the chicken, along with, like, of course, the cilantro, and you're gonna let it cook for about 10 more minutes after that. In this step, you usually can add like a little bit of tomato paste, but I forgot to buy tomato paste, so I didn't add that. So if you don't have it, it's fine, but if you do, use it. And just mix that all in, and you're gonna let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. And I'm about to make the salad really quick, so I just put some onions in there. You can put tomatoes, but I added a little bit of white vinegar, because that's the only vinegar I had in the house, and some olive oil and some salt. And you're going to mix that together. This is gonna be like on the side, you're gonna eat it. And I put this in the fridge for a little while to like make sure it would stay cool. And now our chicken is complete. Look at that. It is so gorgeous, and I'm hungry. And ooh, look at the finished product. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to cook with Sierra again. And make sure you follow me on social media. Okay, bye.